Here we have SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. In triangles ABC and JKL, angles B and K each have a measure of 44 degrees. The length of side BC and the length of side KL are both equal to 25. Which additional piece of information is sufficient to prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle JKL? Okay, first let me draw the two triangles. Here I have drawn two triangles. Okay, now let me mark the vertices. Here we have A, here we have B, here we have C, and J, K, L. Okay, we have the information angles B and K each have a measure of 44 degrees. At B, let me mark 44 degrees. And here K, we have 44 degrees. And also we have the information, the length of the side BC, the length of the side KL are both equal to 25. Okay, we have BC over here, its length is 25, and KL over here, its length is 25. Okay, that's all the information we have over here. And now in the given answer choices, we have to find the one which is sufficient to prove that the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle JKL. Okay, now to verify the given answer choices, we need the triangle congruence postulates and theorems. Okay, now let me write them over here. Here I have written the postulates and theorem. The first four we have postulates, the last four we have theorems, and we use the last four to prove that two right triangles are congruent. Okay, anyways, we can start verifying the answer choices one by one. Now let me consider the information we have in answer choice A. That is the length of side AC is 13 and the length of the side JL is 13. AC is over here, its length is 13, and JL is over here, its length is 13. Okay, the length of this side of the triangle and this side of the triangle are equal, and the length of this side BC, the length of the side KL are equal, and the interior angle measure over here, interior angle measure over here are equal. That is, we have side angle. But SSA cannot be used to prove the two triangles are congruent. So the information we have in answer choice A is not sufficient to prove that two triangles ABC and JKL are congruent. Now let me consider the information we have in answer choice B. That is, the measure of angle A is 58 degrees and the measure of angle L is 58 degrees. Okay, at the vertex A in the first triangle, let me mark the interior angle 58 degrees. And in the second triangle at the vertex L, let me mark 58 degrees. Okay, here we have interior angle measure 58 degrees, here we have 58 degrees, and here we have the interior angle measure 44 degrees, here we have the same interior angle measure, and here we have the length of the side 25, here we have the length of the side 25. Now let me consider the order in which we have the stuff in the first triangle. So we have angle, and side. That is, we have A, S. And now let me consider the order of the stuff over here in the second triangle. That is angle, side, angle. Let me write over here, angle, side, angle. Even though AAS and ASA are triangle congruence postulates, we have two different postulates in these two triangles. Okay, if I want to prove these two triangles are congruent, I must be having the same postulate or same theorem in both the triangles. But here we have two different postulates in these two triangles. So with the information in answer choice B, I cannot prove the given two triangles ABC and JKL are congruent. Let's reject answer choice B. Okay, now let me consider answer choice C. That is, the measure of angle A is 37 degrees. Okay, now let me mark it over here, 37 degrees. And the measure of angle J is 37 degrees. Okay, here we have 37 degrees. Okay, here we have interior angle measure 37 degrees. Here we have the same interior angle measure. Here we have 44 degrees. Here we have 44 degrees. Here we have the length of the side 25 and the same length we have over here. Okay, let's consider the order in which we have the stuff in the first angle, angle, side. Okay, let me write it over here, angle, side. Now let me consider the order of the stuff in the second triangle we have over here, angle, side. That is AS. Here we have 37 degrees as a first angle. In the second triangle also we have the same 37 degrees as a first angle. And the second interior angle is 44 degrees. And in the second triangle also the second interior angle is 44 degrees. And the third one is a side which has a length of 25. So here also the third one is a side which has a length of 25. So, and also we have this AAS as one of the triangle congruence postulates. So using this postulate AAS, we can say these two triangles ABC and JKL are congruent. So the information we have in answer choice C is sufficient to prove the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle JKL. So the correct answer choice for this one is C. And the answer choice D is incorrect because it says no additional information is necessary. Actually, we need an additional information to prove the two triangles are congruent, and we got that additional information in answer choice C. Therefore, the correct answer choice for this question is C.